In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the You May Also Like section on your Shopify site. This feature can be a fantastic way to enhance your customers' shopping experience by recommending products that align with their interests, potentially increasing your sales. To get started, open your Shopify admin page. At the top of your screen, you'll see the search bar. Go ahead and click on it. In the search field, type in Search and Discovery. This is a crucial app because it enables you to optimize the search functionality and display options on your Shopify store, enhancing both the customer journey and the overall site usability. Once you've found the Search and Discovery app, you'll need to install it on your Shopify site. Don't worry if you're new to apps on Shopify. The platform will guide you through the installation process. It's quite straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll have it set up in no time. After the installation is complete, the app will conveniently appear on the left panel of your Shopify admin page. This panel acts as your central control hub, where you can configure various settings to match your store's specific needs and branding. In the left panel, click on the app, and you will be directed to its configuration page. Here's where you can really start customizing the shopping experience. Among the various options available, look for the section where you can manage filters. Adding filters is crucial as it helps streamline product categories, making product discovery a breeze for your customers. Within the Filters option, you will see an option to add a filter named You May Also Like. Selecting this lets you create personalized shopping suggestions. Once you've clicked to add this filter, it's time to set its source. The source determines where the recommendations are drawn from, such as categories, collections, or related products. Next, select the store where you'd like to add the You May Also Like section. This option is particularly useful if you manage multiple stores and only want to implement changes in a specific one. Selecting the appropriate store ensures that your settings are applied accurately and to your satisfaction. After you've finished setting everything up, make sure to click the Save button. This is a critical step. Nothing is worse than configuring everything perfectly only to forget to save and lose all your hard work. Once saved, navigate over to your store's front end. Now, visitors to your site will see the You May Also Like filter available, presenting them with tailored, relevant products based on their shopping interest. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added a You May Also Like section to your Shopify site. This addition not only contributes to a more personalized shopping experience, but can also enhance engagement and potentially increase your sales. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!